Solana is going absolutely crazy, up 40% in the last week. AI coins are gaining a ton of traction, and look what to be the top gainers of this overall bull run. In this video, we're going to explain the pump, what's going on, and try to get everybody as prepared as possible for the next 3 years. I will explain why I believe we have major gains in the crypto industry over the next 3 years. I'm going to show you guys the coins that I plan to accumulate and that I'm continuing to accumulate as we speak. And overall, just go over how long this run is going to go. I think now is a really good time. I haven't made a crypto video in a while, but when crypto's down and everyone's depressed about it, no one's really researching it, and that's what the time you should be researching it. If you're watching this video right now, you're very early to the bull market. I believe it just started. I think that we're going to have another dip coming in soon, but overall, I do think 2023 will be a green year. I want to explain the coins that I'm personally looking forward to. I hold every coin that we talk about in this video. I want to say, not financial advice, but I have done very well over the last 2 bull markets, and I plan to do so again today. I'm actually already up on my investments so far in this bull market. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you guys could do me a favor, drop a like, man. I'm trying to remonetize the channel, dude. If you guys could just do me a favor, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. Turn the bell on, okay? I want to start doing some giveaways. Maybe we'll start sending some crypto to some viewers. Let me know what crypto you guys would want. If I do a giveaway, maybe when we get monetized, I'll do like $1,000 giveaway of a certain coin. You guys let me know what coin you want that to be, okay? But without further ado, let's kind of jump right into this video. Now, what I want to do at the very start of this is I want to show you guys, I want to look at the yearly chart for Bitcoin. And the reason why this is very, very relevant for you guys is because if you look at the previous cycles, we've had 3 years of positive, 1 year of negative, 3 years of positive, 1 year of negative. So if you go to the yearly chart for Bitcoin, as you'll see on this image, we have a negative year. So this was the previous bull run here. It's not all the way pictured. We have a positive year, a negative year, 3 years of positive. We have a year of negative. We have 3 years of positive. Last year was negative, and we're already off to a solid green year here. Like I said, I do expect a drop to come in. I think we will actually go in the red a little, but I do think we'll end in the positive. We'll end green here. And I believe, like I said, 3 years, I've been saying forever, 2025 is when I plan on, offloading some of my bags, taking some profits for the next cycle, essentially. Now, that's just a little bit of proof. That's what a lot of people are talking about. And as you guys know, or the way that I kind of look at cryptocurrency, this is a speculative investment, right? So a lot of people like to dive into charts. They like to analyze it with, bull traps and all this different stuff, right? All this nerdy stuff that, I look at and I do take into account, but I'm mostly what I consider a speculative investor. I look and I kind of educate myself with the way that people are thinking, and I try to read their minds because I think that what will determine the future of the market in cryptocurrency. Now, I do think something that's very relevant that is happening coming soon is the Bitcoin halving, and also what is actually coming even sooner is the Litecoin halving. Litecoin has actually doubled in price already over the last, I want to say, maybe month. I've seen it down in the 40s. Now it's up near, we can just do a check really quick. Litecoin is at $90. If you actually look at the graph, it was down in the 40s like maybe a couple of months ago at max. But that halving cycle is within 200 days away. So I want to get into explaining why this pump is happening, and specifically Solana. Like, a lot of you guys there was a ton of FUD about Solana. There still continues to be. If you guys don't know, FTX was one of the biggest I guess pushers or early innovators or whatever you want to say with Solana, and because of what's happened with FTX and a lot of uncertainty still there's still a ton of holdings of Solana with FTX. I want to say it was like something like $600 million or something like that. I don't know for sure, but basically there was a ton of FUD with Solana. A lot of people said Solana was going to be the next Luna, the next FTT. It was going to $0, etc. I actually, and I'll place an image of a buy order right here. I bought some Solana, I want to say around $13 or $12 or something like that. I went ahead and staked it, and now obviously I'm up double on that trade, plus it's being staked or earning interest every day. So Solana is one of the coins that I think is actually going to turn this whole thing into a bull run. If you look at Solana on the chart right here, Solana is actually up 39.26% on the week, and it's actually up in 24 hours, it's up 17.87% at the time I'm recording this video. It's absolutely pumping up $25, up to $25. back in the top 10 of market caps and continue to climb. We actually did get back into the trillion mark for all of crypto, so that is really cool. Now, I want to transition to this video about the 10 coins that I have been buying, am currently buying, and planning to hold and planning to stake, etc. And I'm curious what you guys are looking at. So if you guys have any coins that you want to, toss me to look into or whatever, these are ones that I feel very safe about. I feel like I have a very good spread across, different blockchains, AI, as I mentioned at the start of the video, and overall just store of value. So I guess we'll just start with AI. I think AI is probably some of the more exciting coins. So let's just go ahead and show you a couple of the coins that we're talking about, because maybe everyone doesn't know these. But let's go to FET. FET is one of the AI coins I bought in, I think around 9 or 10 cents. I hate this view. So as you can see, yeah, I bought like right in this area. Seriously, like 9-10 cents. As you can see, it's been basically a straight climb almost to 30 cents now. I think that like what's going on in the world, this is my opinion. As I said, I'm a speculative investor. You guys have probably seen a lot of videos about Chat GDP, or a lot of talk about it on Twitter, as that's an AI tool that's going to continue to help a lot of creators and influencers, and just everything. It's going to change the world, right? A lot of people are really realizing how much AI can really impact the world. So yeah, I bought AI, or I bought FET around 10 cents, and I did stake it, so it's obviously gaining me passively more every single day. The other AI coin that I'm into is called GRT. GRT was actually a major player in the last bull run. It was definitely talked about. I bought into GRT, I want to say somewhere around like 6 to 7 cents, probably in this range right here. As you see now, it's up to 8.5 essentially. So this is still a good one. I mean, if you look at the graph, dude, like just look at this graph. It was up like $2.7 or whatever. Now we're trading it for 8 cents. You can buy and stake this. Once again, this is a coin that I'm very bullish on. I've been holding this. I probably started accumulating this bag before most of my bags. So I'm not up as much on this trade yet, but I do think GRT has a very strong history coming, or it has very strong potential for the rest of this bull market. Next, I want to kind of switch over to the blockchains. Obviously, as the video title would say, we're involved in Solana. Solana is just, like I said, so much fun. Like, look how bad it went down here. Like, we're talking $9. As I said, I put the trade up earlier where I probably bought, I think on the downfall, probably right around here is when I got in. And I hold a decent amount of SOL. That wasn't like the only that I had. I think my average buy-in is probably around like $15. So I am up overall. Have this staked as well. Again, that 10% APY. Shout out to Binance. So Solana, I mean, the potential is endless here. I think that it's kind of a riskier one, but I personally believe in Solana. I'm going to be holding it. Obviously, we have the Mac Daddy, the one that everyone probably holds. I think every portfolio at this point should have Ethereum. If you don't have Ethereum, I don't know what you're doing. I think Ethereum might even be a safer hold than Bitcoin. That's right. You heard it here first. Ethereum, I think I bought in. I don't even know when I bought in. I've held Ethereum for literally years. I have it in cold storage. I don't need to talk about Ethereum. You should just own some Ethereum. One that I think a lot of you guys probably don't know about, this is also one that I'm heavily staking on, getting a lot of rewards, is Harmony One. Now, Harmony One was up to 40 cents in the last bull run. I think my average buy-in here was around a cent. I can throw a picture up of one of my trades I did for Harmony One as well. Bought and staked. This thing was down around 9. I probably bought around right here or something like that, maybe some a little bit up here, but I'm definitely up on Harmony One. I do think it has a very, very, very bright future. The next coin that we're going to talk about is the dad of cryptocurrency, ADA. I think everybody, maybe not everybody, but most people at this point should have ADA in their portfolio. ADA up to $3. Right now it's trading at 36 cents. I think I bought in around 25 cents, not even capping. I'll throw another screenshot. Like I said, I'm up this bull run so far. I do think there's going to be another dip. I think we might see lower prices even than when I got in, but it's crazy because I'm making this video and I'm like, guys, I got in low. Like, I got in at this point, but like I literally did. Like, if we don't see lower lows, like I literally got in on the bottom on most of these coins. So yeah, don't need to talk much about ADA. Buy it, stake it, forget about it, just let it rock. Obviously, we have Bitcoin. I don't even think we need to go over that. That's a nice store of value. I'm going to talk next about Chainlink. I don't know how many people. Is there any linkers, link marines? You guys here? This coin it's just one that I've always held. It's just one that if you look at this chart, man, I mean, it was up to 50. Like, it's just been accumulate. This is going to break out. I promise you that Chainlink is going to break out, dude. Like, this is a coin that I would really look at stacking. I don't have near as much at Chainlink as I want to have right now. I'm going to have to wait till probably March or April to buy more. So as much as that pains me to say, if you look at this chart compared to the rest, I mean, there hasn't been a breakout here yet. You haven't seen a super move to the upside. I mean, yeah, we moved from 5.5 to 6.9, but like compared to the other graphs you've looked at, man, there's a lot of room to move here. Chainlink would be something I would be looking to add if I was you. I did mention Litecoin a little earlier. Want to bring that up again relatively quickly. This is the silver to Bitcoin's gold, right? This thing runs, for those of you guys that don't know, an exact 4x of Bitcoin, meaning there's 4 times the supply. It runs a halving cycle. It's the same thing as Bitcoin. It's just way cheaper to transact with. It's actually been getting a lot of use for like stake crypto gambling, etc. If you look at this chart, man, like I said, this thing was down around like $40 at one point. Like down here, $40. We're looking up to $90 now. The halving cycle is coming. As you've seen, there's been talks of that, and we're seeing moves to the upside. And last but not least, some of you guys might call this a risky call. I hold BNB, man. I think BNB, just Binance, in my opinion. If crypto is going to fail, or if Binance fails, then crypto is going to fail, in my opinion. Binance is so important to everything that we have going on here. They've been just the most trusted marketplace, and I hold BNB. I stake BNB, and I use BNB as a utility token to save on trading fees, etc. I like, if you look at this, there's not really. It's pretty steady. There's not a huge move to the upside yet. BNB is something that I hold. So I don't know. I just wanted to kind of quickly go over kind of my portfolio, what I'm holding, and just start to talk about crypto again. Because like I said, it's really hard to talk about it when a lot of people are fearing and a lot of people aren't interested in doing the research. But them are all the coins that I'm into. Them are all the coins that I will continue to accumulate and plan to hold until probably mid to late 2025, where I start to offset some of the profits and continue to build for the next bull run. So hope that helps you. Hope that gets you starting to think about it. Like I said, if you guys have any coins you want to throw down in the comments, let me know. I will definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. Like I said, if you haven't yet, like the video, make sure you're subbed, and turn the notifications on. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.